Do you want to know how long it takes your respondents to finish your form? Well, it's so easy with Forms app. In this video, we will talk about how to add a timer to your forms in a few simple steps. First, you will need a form. In this video, we will be using a vocabulary quiz. Once you have your form ready, simply open the Fields menu to find the timer. After adding the timer field to your form, you can open its settings to set the time. On the field settings, you can either set it to count down or count up. Counting down will stop respondents from entering new information after the time ends. Here, you can change the time and other details like "Your time is out" text. You also have the option to count up. In order to do this, just click on the Count Up option, and that's it. Lastly, open or preview your form to see if everything is working smoothly. That's it. Whether you are creating a survey for your business or a quiz for your class, you can now easily add a timer to make things more interesting. Go to Forms app and create your form or quiz with a timer today.